Hi children, good afternoon. Today, use of variables in common rules. Rules from geometry completed already. Once again I repeat here. See, perimeter of a square equal to sum of length of the side of the square. Yes, sides of the square. 4 times the length of side of the square. 4L. Here you use variable. L is variable, not fixed, that one. Number is fixed. 4L. In geometry, you have to use variable. Understand, children? Okay. Next, perimeter of a rectangle. Opposite sides are equal. Yes, in rectangle. See here, children. Perimeter of a rectangle equal to length of AB plus length of BC plus length of CD plus length of AD equal to 2 into length of CD plus 2 into length of BC equal to 2L plus 2B. Here you have to use variable. L and B are variables. Okay. Understand? P means perimeter. P is also variable. P equal to 2L plus 2B. Take outside, 2 is common, take outside 2 into bracket L plus B. Understand? Note this point. Here both L and B are variables. They take on values independent of each other. That is, the value of one variable does not depend on what value the other variable has taken. Understand, children? Okay, next move on to how to use variables in arithmetic. Rules from arithmetic. Okay. In 5th standard, commutative property, 4th standard also, commutative property, associative property, and commutative under addition, commutative under multiplication, we have to use. Okay, that word you know, that one. Okay. Third, rules from arithmetic. Commutative of addition of two numbers. Okay, commutative of addition of numbers. Commuting means interchanging. Commuting means interchanging. Commuting the order of numbers in addition does not change the sum. Understand? The use of variables allows us to express the generality of this property in cosine way. Let A and B. See here, children. Suppose commutative property. See here. Commutative property under addition. Okay. See here. A plus B equal to B plus A. A and B are variables. Okay. Commutative property. This is commutative property under addition. Okay. See here, children, commutative means interchanging. Variable interchanging. A plus B equal to B plus A. Here you put values. Take values. A equal to 6. B equal to 12. Okay. Put here. This is commutative property under addition. Okay. A value 6 plus B value 12 equal to B value 12 plus A value 6. 12 plus 6, 18. 12 plus 6, 18. You changed values. You changed variables. But answer will be LHS equal to RHS. Right side equal to left side. Value, last final answer is same. Okay. This holds good under addition. So, see here, children, commutative property in addition, and multiplication also holds good. Okay, here you use variables. Yes, rules from arithmetic. This is the rules from arithmetic. Use of variables in common rules, geometry over, and this is arithmetic. Understand? A and B are variable. Take any value. That value is not constant. Understand, children? Next property, commutative of multiplication of two numbers. See here, children, commutative of two numbers. This is A into B equal to B into A. This is commutative property, commutative of multiplication. Yes, commutative property under multiplication. Understand, children? A into B equal to B into A. A and B are, take any number value. So these are called variables. Okay, understand, children? Here you have to use variable A into B. A and B are variable. Okay, next move on to next property, distributive of numbers. Okay, this is here distributive property is there under multiplication over addition of numbers. Okay, A into bracket B plus C bracket complete equal to A into B plus A into C. A into B, A into plus A into C. See here, A into B plus in middle plus is there. So A into C. A, B and C are variables. Now you have to understand uses of variables. Okay, once again you have to read and write properties neatly, and after you have to values, you have to take any value and put values. LHS equal to RHS comes. Okay, thank you. Today this explanation over. Tomorrow I am going to explain exercise 11.2. Once again you have to clarify your answers and how to use variables in arithmetic, geometry. Okay, thank you.